Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the basics. Set a fixed wake time and protect your sleep window. Once done, lower bedroom temperature to around 16-19 degrees C and block light and noise because the body needs environmental cues to consolidate sleep. Make sure to stop caffeine after 2 p.m. and eat a light dinner 2-3 hours before bed so digestion doesn't fragment sleep. Begin a short 20-minute wind-down routine, breathing, dim lights, no screens, to signal your brain it's time to shift from alertness to rest. Next, target the common causes of fragmented sleep so you get longer stretches. You'll cut fluids 2 hours before bed and use the bathroom immediately before sleep to reduce noxuria-related awakenings. Once done, separate worry from bedtime. Schedule 10-15 minutes earlier to write or process thoughts because unresolved stress triggers micro-awakenings. Make the bed a cue for sleep only. If you're awake more than 20 minutes, get up. Do a quiet, non-stimulating activity. Then return when sleepy to reassociate bed with sleep. Finally, you consolidate gains and check for problems. Track your sleep for 2 weeks. Note when you wake, duration, and triggers, because patterns reveal fixes. Once tracked, adjust timing or environment incrementally. Small changes compound. If fragmented sleep persists more than 3 nights per week despite good habits, consult a clinician to evaluate for sleep apnea, medications, or mood disorders. One key troubleshooting tip: get consistent, bright morning light to reinforce your circadian rhythm. This reduces night fragmentation by strengthening a single consolidated sleep drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.